Are you looking for a great application to try this summer that's going to be free for both you and your students? In today's episode of Tech Coach Weekly, we're looking at one of my favorite free publishing applications. So stick around. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Tech Coach Weekly. My name is Jeff Bradbury, and with me, as always, is Sue Vincent. And Sue, we've got another great episode today. Tell us a little bit about what we're learning today with Adobe Spark.
Yes, I'm so excited to talk to you about Adobe Spark as we dive deeper into some templates and tips and tricks as we learn some of the different things that you can create with Adobe Spark.
So, without further ado, let's take a look at Adobe Spark.
So here we are in Adobe Spark, and I'm excited to show you some of the templates and projects that Adobe Spark has to offer in the world of education, or as you're planning summer activities and summer events for your family. So here we are, and if we start right here at the plus sign, and I click on that plus sign, I'm going to see that Adobe Spark allows me to not only design graphics for events, such as flyers, but it also lets me create a simple web page, just something basic. So if you're planning a wedding shower, a wedding, and you need a web page for people to go to, this would be an awesome source for that. And then you can also create videos and brands and custom graphics here. And then if I click view all, I have a variety of various things. Social media posts. It already has things sized for Facebook stories, Pinterest posts, Instagram posts. So those sizes are ready and waiting for you. And just like we see in various other programs, Adobe Spark offers us so many different templates. So I'm going to go up here and search posters in my template search box. And if I search posters, I can filter it by various things, but I'm just going to click on posters, hit enter, and I get so many choices. So this is great as you're planning back to school night, or again, you're just planning that family cookout for the 4th of July. So, I can click on any of these, and here we go. I can click on this, and then I can create from this template, and it's going to bring it up, and it'll ask you some questions to get you thinking about your design as it loads your template. So now that we have our template loaded, we can start editing. So I can just simply click and change my text to whatever I would like to do. If I do TEACHERCAST, type that, and I can move, drag, drop, change my images, change my colors, all of that good stuff that I would do. Notice how each of these little sections of this image is right there ready for you to edit and download. You have photos over here that you can add to your poster, libraries, design, shapes. Your libraries down here, you can create your own library of your brands, all of those things if you have logos and things that are specific to your own brand. And then when you're finished with your design, you hit download here, and you can download it as a PNG, a JPEG, or a PDF, depending on if you're wanting to use it as an image on a website, or to send it through email, or just as a PDF to be able to have available to various people. I can also hit the share button, and I can publish it. I can invite people to collaborate. I can even send it to my Google Drive to have there for future sharing. So when I'm finished with that, I'm going to go back home to my Adobe Spark page. If I click on the home button, just the little red icon up here, again, I've searched my templates. I've done posters. I can do t-shirt designs. So if I click on t-shirt design, it's going to give me a starting point where I can design a t-shirt and be able to send it to a printing company and have them printed, but it would already be in the right dimensions and all of those things that you need to be able to have a t-shirt made for your event, for your classroom, what have you. Again, I'm going to go back home, and I'm going to search here under cards. I can make greeting cards, I can make postcards. I can even make business cards. And notice here when I click cards and I click on business, it will filter that for me to get a design for me to make my business card. So I'm going to come down here. Here is a great example, and I'm going to create from this template. And as it loads, so this business card template is loaded. So now I can go through and replace the images. I can get rid of that one, and I might replace this with the TEACHERCAST logo, change the names here, and be able to edit that. And again, I can download and share it, as I mentioned before. Then my third template area that I want to show you here in Adobe Spark is my huge favorite, creating for the classroom. So if you're on Adobe Spark, there's a whole section down here just for templates for education. And I'm going to go here and explore more templates just so that I can expand it out and show you what's available. So if I click this, I have a simple Venn diagram template. Look at all these awesome graphic organizers and flyers and postcards and posters, anchor charts that are ready for you to design, you know, just simple activities for your preschool and kindergarten students. And again, these graphic organizers are awesome. So I'm going to go up here and we're going to click on the sandwich organizer. That's a great one for when we're teaching students how to write a paragraph. We start with the topic. So I'm just going to hit create from this. And I can edit any of this information on here, get ready to go. So if I do not like these icons, if I do not like this color, anything like that, I can change the color of the different parts of this template and bring them in from the library that it provides. So as you can see, much like a lot of other multimedia design programs out there, like we've already learned about Canva, Adobe Spark allows you to do much the same thing. So check with your school system and see if they have a sign-in for you under Adobe Spark under your Google account. If not, you can certainly create a free personal Adobe Spark account by going to spark.adobe.com.
Sue, you're absolutely right. Adobe Spark can do some amazing things, from its graphics to its website builder, even to the videos. There's a lot of things that we could be doing with Adobe Spark, not only just this summer, but also in our classrooms.
Yes, it is so exciting to be able to share these things with you. And I hope that you guys as tech coaches or just teachers that are listening, go out and share this with your friends and tell them what you've learned today in this video.
And we hope you guys have a chance to hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and smash that bell. We want you guys to be a part of our TEACHERCAST Tech Coaches community. We're going to have all of the links on the bottom to a recent episode of Ask the Tech Coach, where we talked about the differences between Adobe Spark and Canva. And we want to hear your thoughts about this. Please leave a message below in the comment section. We want to hear from you guys and help us build our channel this summer. So on behalf of Sue and everybody here in the TEACHERCAST Educational Network, my name is Jeff Bradbury, reminding you guys to keep up the great work in your classrooms and continue sharing your passions with your students.